Hey guys, Puppy Lover here, and I am going to play a game. It's called Maximum Car, I think. I don't know, but it looked awesome. There was like a bunch of cars crashing into cars and cool cars, and yeah. Okay. Whoa. Okay. This is weird. I usually don't play these type of games. I do that. Whoa! I was going for this. Whoa! I am the fastest man alive! Okay. Whoop! Hey, Mr. Car! Cool stuff like explosions and looks. Touching around corners. Whoa! That is cool. I might make some more episodes on this. I get to cheat by running over cars. Die. Jeez. No, just play. Okay. Man, this is kind of hard. Shut up. It's kind of hard. That you throw a missile? Yeah.
Speed Weasel.
Speed Weasel? What's a Speed Weasel? But I can destroy cars and stuff. So, BAM! I wasted that explosion. That was awesome! Okay. Go. Gadget! Missile!
I am wearing a clown costume.
BAM! Drop the base. What skill? This is fun.
Weasel. I hope you have comprehensive insurance.
Okay, I hate how it says that though. It's honestly, they just try to sound cool.
If you're pooping while you play, say yeah.
I'm scared. No sound for you. Yeah. Hit somebody. Yeah. Right in front of you. Bam. Bam. Oh man. Okay, sorry. It's just how he says that. Stupid stuff. Damn, really. Okay. Oh, jeez. Yeah.
We will not be exchanging details.
This is dizzy.
This
Woo.
is a success story full of meaning.
No. Oh. Okay. Cars. Oh, I can get new cars. Cars. Cool. How do I switch? Oh, okay. I want this one. Can I don't know how this works. Endless. This is gonna be absolutely amazing. I don't care. No, I'm not using my coins. Okay. I'm not gonna race. I'm definitely playing endless all the time. Bam! Get out of it. The way. Wow, I actually got him. Hey, Butthead. Up here! Woo!
Friday would work. Okay.
Woo!
So,
Yeah. I'm just gonna have it a little bit.
Yeah.
Here, I just hate that guy. No way. Gotcha! Okay. Fair trade. Just sounds so stupid. Bye-bye! Oh. Okay. This game is fun. And poop your pants.
That's not gonna buff out.
I hate these cheesy lines and his voice. He's trying to make him sound cool, even though he's not. Yeah. Bye bye. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry that I'm not talking. This is just so fun. Continue. I don't care. Tell me if you like this in the comments below. Yo, I'm sorry. I'm dead. Let's get that. Okay, not now. Hey, butthead. Bam! Shut up. I don't know what that hit. Bam! Blah. Whoa. Sorry for the background sound. You're dead. Okay, maybe not. Okay, this is so much fun. Cheesy. Endless fun. This is fun. I know. Owned. Locked. Unlocked.
I am trapped in a game design prison. Nice car.
Owned. 2. I want to quit that one. Also, that one looks better. Oh, oops.
Otherwise, Friday morning.
I would never play on that map unless I could get to these. But in this map, okay.
We're starting at 6.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna play one more. It's probably not gonna be that long. Well, maybe not. Okay, I'm doing like a crap ton of gaming today because gaming is fun and people like to watch gaming too. This car is way better than the other. And go way faster. Literally, like, right away, I had my missile and stuff. You're dead. Woo! Okay. Tell me if you like this in the comments below. Oh, man. Okay, sorry, I'm just... I feel like I have to move. I don't know if you hear that, but it sucks. So annoying. Woo! Bye. Woo! Okay, I know what to do. Bye-bye. I didn't know it said that. Hope you didn't hear that. Okay, turn it down. Okay, turn it down for a... Because if it did say that, I'm going to have to delete it in this video. Hope it didn't. This is amazing, and yeah. Sorry that there's no sound. It's just that.
Okay, well, just FYI,
Whatever.
I was just given a job to
Oh, sorry.
we're starting this week.
Oopsie.
So
Hit you. Ah, I didn't hit you.
they just screw it on.
It just despawned.
So
This video is getting pretty long, I think.
yeah,
Woo!
the whole Thursday.
Oh. Bye. Love you.